Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 11th, Rebels and the Raj. This is module 8. In this we will discuss about images of the revolt. As you know that the battle of 1857 is almost over. The Britishers were able to control the territories, the areas that were taken by the mutinies or the rebellions, Lucknow, Kanpur and Delhi. Now some of the pictures, some of the images that were made by some of the documents, some of the other presentation that were found after the revolt within 1 year, 2 year or even later. So here less evidences were available with the Indians as compared to the Britishers. They were having more and more, evidences in the form of letters, pictures, pencil paintings and other things. Okay. Now here we will discuss about some of the paintings, some of the images that were made, that were shown by the Britishers. Okay. The first one was Relief of Lucknow. As you know that in the end 1858 this Lucknow, this Awadh was annexed by the Britishers and they demolished the rebellions. It was the image that was made by Thomas Jones, that was in 1859. Okay. In that, this was the last period of the revolution where the Britishers were able to control. Here the chief was there, or you may say the collector was Henry Lawrence. Henry Lawrence, that was the, you may say, collector in Lucknow, and during that rebellion attack, he was the leader, he was the commander, and his responsibility was to save the innocent women, children and other Britishers. And in this revolt he was murdered, he was killed, and after 20 days another commander, you may say, of the British, that was Colin Campbell, that came from England, and he was the person that demolished this, and he was supported by Outram. Colin Campbell was supported by Outram and Havelock, and after the murder of Lawrence, Colonel Inglis, that was the person that saved the woman, and they were shown because they were able to demolish, they were the saviors, they were the winners, and in the picture they are shown that they have achieved, they have won the most important battle, and they are in an arrogant mood. They are circulated by the different people. They are in the middle of the picture. They are on the horses. This Campbell, Outram and Havelock, and other people, especially the Indians, the mutinies, the rebellions, they are under their feet. It means these types of the picture that were shown, it means they were showing that we have achieved. We are more superior, we are more powerful, and these rebellions, they are only a bunch, they are only a small number, they can't face us. This type of the mentality was shown in the picture. Okay. Another picture that was made by Joseph, that was Memorial. Second image, that was the Memorial by Joseph. Okay. In that also, here the group of the women that are shown, they are gathered, they are in fear, they are in terror. they are shown as helpless, innocent, and they may be attacked. But in the picture, it is not shown that they are attacked by the raiders, they are attacked by the rebellions. They are shown this type of the feeling and mentality that was shown by the Joseph. And this in memoriam, especially the British women, the children, and other, they were shown. They were like pegged, they are huddled. And in these, what was the main thing? That outside that in the picture, the Britishers are shown which are coming to save them. It means these type of the, even the women, children, and even other people, they were shown again in a different way. Indians, the readers, they are shown, they are told, but in picture they are not visible. The picture is shown that is very neat and clean, and in that the images that are shown, that may be the expression of the people by the Joseph, what he wanted to highlight, what he wanted to tell, that these were the situations that were faced by the women. It is not that even the women, the children, they also suffered, who were the daughters, wives, and the sons and daughters of these Britishers. They were also killed, murdered, and other horrible situation may also be faced, but that is a different thing. Okay, so that was the images that were shown. Okay, now next thing was that the third picture that is shown in that Miss Wheeler, a woman, Miss Wheeler, that is a woman. In this it is shown that she had been attacked by the 4 person. They are having the sword in the hand and other weapons, and that woman, she is having the pistol and cartridges, and she shot them. They are killed. So it means this is also shown that Miss Wheeler show his bravery, courage, and she saved herself and the other, you may say, people also that may be there. So these types of the picture that were shown by the Britishers, they may be maximum in a different way that the Britishers want to show. Very less evidences are available of Indians. Okay. And another thing that was there, another picture that is shown that the woman is shown like goddess Durga. Okay. It means that she is having some weapon in one hand, shield in the other hand, like Lord Krishna and other, that tried, you may say that, kill on, that try to, they go on killing the invaders, they go on killing the enemies. Such type of the picture is also shown by the Britishers. The male, the rebellions, they are under her feet, they are on the ground, and she is moving on them. She has crunched them, she has, you may make them grounded, and she is having the sword and the shield in her hand. These types of the picture that was shown by the Britishers. So they wanted to show, these Britishers wanted to show that we are more superior, we are more powerful, and even the women, they also sacrifice, they also save themselves from this revolt. So these pictures are there that are very important regarding the 1857 revolt.